We are committed to defending innocent life, protecting our Constitution, and to proudly upholding the Judeo-Christian values of our nation's founding. We embrace free thought. We stand up to political correctness. We don't like political correctness. And we reject the intolerance of left-wing cancel culture. We believe in law and order, and we respect and support the men and women of law enforcement. And above all, we live by the words of our national motto, and it will never, ever change. In God we trust. Sustained by these timeless American values and powered by the strength of these unstoppable ideas, we will press forward. We will have victory after victory. And to the devoted citizens all across our country, is so much greater than our opponents can even imagine. We are there. We have massive majorities, and we're much stronger than them. Much stronger than them. We're much stronger than they are. Because unlike their agenda, our movement is not driven by the lust for control and domination of others. Our movement is driven by a love for America and an ironclad faith in the American people. I have that faith and you have that faith. We are not fighting for socialism, communism. We're not fighting for servitude. We're fighting for God, for country, and we're fighting for freedom. We know in our veins that our American inheritance was passed down to us by generations of patriots who gave everything they had, their sweat, their blood, and even their very lives to build America into the most powerful nation in the history of the world. And we are not going to let it be taken away from us by a small group of radical left Marxist maniacs. So my fellow Americans, our movement is the greatest in American history. There has never been a movement like we have had. We won the most important election, 2016. We did more than any other administration has ever done, and we did it quickly. We're not going to let it be taken away from us. The 2022 midterms are the next phase of the battle, and we will not stop there. We will keep on going until we have made America great again. With your help, we will take back the House, we will take back the Senate, and we will take back that beautiful, gorgeous White House, and we will take back our country. So working together,